My dear respected colleagues, today I'm just going to talk about teacher's unique ID which is being provided by a CBSE. Respected colleagues, regarding this teacher's unique identity, all teachers are getting one username as well as password, which is used for further any kind of correspondence with CBSE and regarding any kind of webinar or workshop. Basically, this email ID is related with a domain that is a CBSE digital education.in. My dear respected colleagues, for the same, because as it requires that first of all, when we log in, we are supposed to change the password. We are supposed to change the password which is there in the system, because we all get a by default password from CBSE. I'm supposed to log in through a Gmail. It's very important to remember that the platform which is required to log in, that is a Gmail. I'm supposed to click on a sign in option here. And when we get the screen for signing in, I'm supposed to enter a username. Again, I'm saying that this username is being provided by a school itself. After that, I'm supposed to click on the next option. Now, what we are going to do, we are supposed to enter the password which is being provided by a school. And now again, we are supposed to paste and next click on the next option. Now, as and when we click on the next option, it says that welcome to your new account. This is a term and condition. I'm simply going to click on the option that is a accept. And now I'm just going to enter the password here. Okay. And again, there is a confirmation password is required. I'm simply going to again enter the password here. And now what we are going to do here, we are supposed to click on the option that is a change password. Now, the password which is being provided by a CBSE, which is a default password, is being changed with a new password. Okay. So this is the actual procedure that how we are supposed to change the password. And now if you want to log in with the help of that particular email ID, I'm again supposed to click on the option that is a sign in. For the same, again, we required this particular username. This username is required to sign in for that particular account. Here it is. The account is displaying here. That account is, we are already there with this account. Okay. And now if you want to, here it is, one option will be there. That one circular is being published by a CBSE which says free online training program on educational technology and learning in collaboration with Google. Here it is, in that particular circular, one registration link is being provided. What we are going to do here, I have that particular link with me. And now what we are going to do here, we are supposed to copy that particular and we are supposed to paste and hit the enter key here. We are supposed to hit the enter key and hopefully we get that particular form. Okay. Now I just get that particular form and here it is, very important thing that this is the email ID which is being considered as a teacher's unique ID. I'm just going to enter the detail. Here it is. I'm just going to mention Arvind Kumar. Okay. Email ID. And here it is. What we are going to do here, we are just supposed to mention that particular email ID. I just enter this email ID. Okay, okay, and okay. I'm just going to paste that one. Name of the school. In my case, I'm just going to enter Swami Sant Das Public School. Okay, I have checked this Swami Sant Das Public School. Perfect. School affiliation number. Okay, Perfect. 1630286. Okay. School code 20277. Very good. Name of the COE, that is a Center of Excellence. In my case, I'm just going to select it as a Chandigarh. And now what we are going to do here, here it is. I'm just going to mention it as a Punjab. Here it is. The name of the country will be India. And now I'm just going to click on the option that is a submit. And my dear respected colleagues, it says registration form _ educational technology and learning is done. So this will be the actual procedure that how we are going to change the password of our teacher's unique ID and how we are supposed to register for a different webinars or workshops which is being organized by a CBSE. Hope my words are easy to understand and thanks for your kind cooperation.